What, may you ask, are the Shears 2.0 and why are they key for your life? Let me tell you something, in terms of the ladies, this is probably the most important manscaping product because nobody wants to see your ragged, terrible looking nails. So in this pack, there are 4 different items. You have a file for your nails, you have a conventional, nice, high quality nail trimmer, not some piece of junk you got at the drugstore, a nice set of clippers, nail clippers, so you get that nice curve on them like you want, and then finally a pair of tweezers just to clean up any little extra mess you got to clean up. Overall, between these 4, your toes and your fingers don't have to look like junk anymore. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take them, I'm gonna use them for about a week. I'm gonna come back and let you know what I think of them. Let's make sure that they actually are the high quality product that they're supposed to be. All right, I'm gonna go do that. I'll see you in about a week. See these beautiful manicured nails? I've been manicuring them for a couple weeks now, and I have to say, this little kit is great. The clippers, everything is just really nice. It's nice having something that's like a nice quality, not like the cheap ones that you get in the shop in the hotel when you've forgotten yours, or if you just run into the local drugstore and grab something really quick. It is nice to have quality things. I really appreciate these. I think you'll appreciate them also. See you next time.